He's coming, but he usually comes from the right. Over here. So I think he's going to come this way. We'll see. You hear that siren, folks? That's Santa. Not on his reindeer, on a fire truck. Here he comes. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Harper. Right there, Harp. Wow, how cool. I think there's some, he threw some candy towards me.
Oh, they did?
I think I heard some fall. Hold on.
I got a couple.
Look, come and look. That was the real Santa. Look at her. She's like siren head out. Oh, wow.
That's so cool.
Did you get candy?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
What'd you get?
Oh my
So
goodness. She's excited. Santa just came. And it's, luckily I got all these inflatables up today. I had no clue that was going to happen. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That was Santa. Not on his reindeer, but on his fire truck here in San Antonio, Texas. Ta-da!